can we prepare students for the future of work? What new jobs will students be creating when they graduate from college? What will be the necessary skills needed for a student entering the workplace in the year 2025? These are all questions that the technology team at Camden regularly asks when creating engaging learning opportunities for our students.
A few characteristics of a 21st century classroom include a focus on technology integration, collaborative environment, and teacher as facilitator. In my classroom and within the school, there are many technological devices that I am able to use to implement daily instruction in order to support student learning and engagement. Some of the technology that I use is one-to-one implementation of iPads, 4 flexible workstations with mounted TVs that act as a CPU, a Cuomo interactive projector, and Cuomo Journey touchscreen TV.
Every day we use our iPads for learning. Reading apps and subscriptions give us access to thousands of popular high-quality texts that we can use when practicing a new skill in Just Right books or researching a topic discussed in class. We can practice math skills on a ton of papers available to us, show our thinking about a math problem on a presentation app like Show Me Your Edgy Creations. We can annotate a writing example piece on Notability to look for the characteristics of a personal narrative. Then we use what we've learned in the examples in our own writing pieces.
The flexible workstations in our classroom let us work as teams in various incidents throughout the day. We might use the workstations as a quick check-in with websites or to watch a brain pop video for a quick review of concept. A group may also use these workstations for many days for research and design in a way of sharing our learning and our peers. The key word with these is that they are flexible. Students in this class decides how they learn and what resources we will do the most helpful.
The flexible workspaces are not only used for student learning. Teachers use the collaborative workstations for PLC work to analyze data and create next steps for the learning of all students. The circular setting of the table promotes participation and a transparent perspective with similar goals in mind. My team has been able to use these workstations to analyze common formative assessment data, analyze map data, and develop strategies for teaching all students.
The collaboration in our classroom is preparing us for college and careers. We regularly discuss our thinking with each other and our teacher both as a classroom learning community and as a digital community. In our digital community, we practice communication and cooperative skills at flexible workstations. We also share our learning in many ways. One of our favorite digital tools to use is Padlet, which is like an online piece of paper that allows us to share text and pictures of our work with each other.
In our classroom, we not only use technology flexible, but also use our financial flexibility to support collaboration. The chairs and the tables are easy to move, so we can work in pairs, groups, or by ourselves. Although the nesting tables that we ordered have not been delivered yet, we have already started using our existing furniture as flexible learning materials. Moving the furniture is an easy way for us to have student choice in our learning.
Although the Cuomo interactive projector is not installed yet, we have already begun using interactive websites and apps together as a class. Ginzy, an interactive whiteboard software system, has many tools that students can interact with during a lesson. We also use a VJ or cord to connect an iPad to our already existing projector. This allows us to display what is on our screens to the entire class, making it an easy way to share learning and model our thinking. We are excited to see how the Cuomo projector can enhance our learning.
Students in this 21st century space are developing skills that prepare them for college and career readiness. The design of this classroom was developed through research of project-based learning and schools that lead educational reform. Members of the technology team have observed other schools in and out of our district and individually researched each piece of furniture and equipment before making a decision for this classroom. It is our hope that through rigorous instruction and student-centered workshops, our students will be prepared for the lifelong learning that will be needed in our rapidly changing world.
Who's to say What's impossible, they forgot. This world keeps spinning.